up, everybody? It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. Today's video was gonna be on insurance, so let's get straight into it. Let's talk numbers. All right, so first off, give my background. 21 years old, or years young, however you want to look at it. I live in Michigan, more specifically Detroit, Michigan. So just those two things alone, insurance is gonna be high. So yeah, Michigan, I believe, is the highest, has the highest insurance rates in the nation. So if you don't live in Michigan, don't expect to be paying these outrageous numbers. But if you do live in Michigan and you're young, you better be making that cash, cause yeah. So I like to pay, personally, I don't know, but a lot of people probably, I don't know why they don't like doing it, but I like to pay like a lump sum just for the discount, you know? Like you could save $200-300 just by paying a lump sum, and then you don't have to worry about it for another 6 months to 12 months. It's like, I don't know, I don't know. That's just me. Some people can't do that or whatever, for whatever reason. And I understand that 110%. But for me personally, this is what I do, especially just try my best to save. So the number, I know that's what y'all waiting for. So I pay $1,800 every 6 months. Y'all can do the math on that, but I believe that's what, 900. Ooh. Anyway, so it's like 200 a month or something like that. No, 253. 3 times 6, 18. All right, yeah. So that's $300 a month. Yeah. So that's high to a lot of people, but that's ridiculous to a lot of people. So, and I understand that. But if you're a car guy, I don't know, maybe it's just different. Like if you're a car guy, you're willing to pay, I ain't gonna say whatever for a car or whatever, you know, but like within, you know, your means. Like there is no number that's just far out, unless it's just, you know, something that's ridiculous, you know. $300 is high, but it's not ridiculous. I think when I was 18, I quoted like a Avenger 2012 or something like that, and they wanted like $900 a month or whatever. That's outrageous, you know. I understand I don't have any driving experience at 18 or whatever, but still $700 a month, that's ridiculous. But anyway, that's besides the point. So yeah, so I pay $1,800 every 6 months, and if I paid monthly, it would be like $2,100 or something like that every 6 months. So why not take that $300 discount, you know? Yeah, and I do have a 2016 Charger RT. That's the car I'm talking about specifically. So yeah, turning 22 this month, and I'm moving out of Detroit soon. So hopefully that will, you know, lower my rate or whatever. But don't expect for your rate to change like drastically until you're like 25, 26, 27, you know, high 20s. That's usually when, you know, your insurance rates start coming down. Or, you know, if that's too much, you know, you can have a parent co-sign, or put the car in their name and you pay the parent or whatever. But I don't like to do that because it just causes too much confusion. And, you know, people, I don't know, people are, when it comes to money, it's just, I don't know, you just see who real and ain't. But that's another story for another day. Yeah, so magic number, $1,800 a month at 21 for 400 horsepower almost. So yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, so yeah, that's the end of the video. Subscribe, comment, like, share, Keep supporting me. If you already supporting me, thank you. I got some more content coming soon. Just stay tuned and bear with me. Comment what y'all want. I don't know if y'all want more reviews or personal car build. I do want to start a car build next spring, this summertime, March, April, May, sometime around there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.